Hey everyone, welcome back to the Coding Wallah. How's the fire to get the job? We have got a new hiring opportunity from startups for work from home developers. This is only for freshers, so without wasting your time, let's move to the hirings. Before we discuss the hiring, like the video, smash the subscribe. First we have from Turing. Turing is hiring for Python developer. This is for remote job. Let's talk about the responsibility of the candidate that handle in day-to-day life as a Turing employee. You are working on Python programs. With that you have to collaborate with researchers and other team members. Additionally, you have to code in Jupyter Notebook and documented the process. In line with that, you are also handling debugs and troubleshoots. Let's talk about the requirement for this role. This role is open to applicants of all levels from junior to industry experts. They require bachelor degree in engineering, computer science or related field. With that, proficient in Python programming language and ability to handle intermediate level Python codings also. With that, excellent problem solving skills, communication skills, collaborative skills. Here is about why you should join Turing. You can read this all. You get industry standard salary in USD. With that, flexible work hour, innovative project and many more. You can read this all. So if you are interested for this role, just go and apply. You get the link in the description box. Next we have from Gigafactor. Gigafactor is hiring for SQL developer intern. This is also remote job. Base pay range provided by Gigafactor is 4 lakh to 5 lakh per annum. Here is about the company. You can read this. Let's talk about the job overview. They require SQL developer intern with fresher perspective, and this is full-time remote internship. If you join Gigafactor, you get the collaborative environment, challenging your SQL skills and enhancing your professional growth. Let's talk about the required qualification for this role. You have proficiency in SQL queries. With that, proven skill in SQL optimizations and strong problem solving skills ability is also needed. Additionally, with that, understanding of database designing and experience with data modeling, and good to have knowledge of ETL processes and data analyzing. Here are the roles and responsibility of the candidate that handle in day-to-day life. You are assisting in developing, maintaining, optimizing SQL databases. With that, you are also collaborate with teams to design database solutions and participate actively in team meetings. In line with that, you are also handling data extraction and transformation tasks. With that, you are also ensuring data accuracy and integrity and many more. You can read this all. So if you are interested for this role, just go and apply. You get the link in the description box. Next we have from Hyland. Hyland is hiring for developer. This is for Java developer. Here is about the Hyland. You can read this. Hyland is looking for junior Java developer. Let's talk about the roles and responsibility of the candidate. You are working on code based on functional specification using Java, Maven, Spring Framework and many more. With that, test code to verify it meets the technical specifications and create and apply to automated test. In line with that, you are also assist and contribute to code review. With that, implementation of delivering pipeline and product documentations. Additionally, you are also handling troubleshoot and debug. Let's talk about the requirement for this role. Good to have 1 year of experience in programming language, but this is not mandatory. Working knowledge of data structure, algorithm, software designs, and good to have knowledge of software development lifecycle. Have some knowledge of Windows, Linux. Additionally, with that, knowledge of test automation, software application testing tools, and have good communication skill, problem solving skill, collaborative skills and many more. You can read this all. So if you are interested for this role, just go and apply. You get the link in the description box. Bye bye, best of luck for your assessment round. Catch you later.